everyone, this is Juvstv and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, we're going to make no-bake cookies. So here's the ingredients that we're gonna need. We have 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, egg, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, then 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/4 cup of flour. So let's start. So in a bowl, let's put the melted butter and brown sugar, white sugar, and let us mix together. Mix lang natin siya hanggang sa matunaw yung sugar. Then we're gonna add an egg. Mix lang natin siya. Then we're gonna add the all-purpose flour. But first, we have to sift the flour first. And to avoid lumps. Sisift po muna natin siya to avoid lumps. Going to add the baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. So mix together. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix. And yan. Let's add the chocolate chips. So, ayan guys. Na-mix na natin all together, all the ingredients. So, we keep it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. So, after 30 minutes, ito na siya. So, ang gagawin na natin is yan, medyo matigas. So, bibilog-bilog lang tayo guys. Kuha ako ng tray, lalagyan lang natin siya dyan. Tadaan! Ayan, i-grease lang natin siya with the butter. So, kung wala kayong butter, you can use oil. Ayan. Ayan, lagay na natin yung ating cookies. Ayan. After 10 minutes, guys. So, let's check it. And cook lang natin siya for another 5 minutes. Yan, luto na siya, guys. So, lilipat na natin siya sa tray. No bake cookies is done, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye.